For eggs 2 pieces. Add sugar 200 grams. Whisk. Baking powder 1 teaspoon, vanillin pinch, cocoa 2 tablespoons, milk a half cup, flour 200 grams, butter 110 grams. Stir everything. Pour the dough into the mold. Fill 2/3 of the volume. Put in the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Cream cheese. Mix powdered sugar 90 grams, butter 90 grams, curd cheese 250 grams. Beat everything with a mixer to 5 minutes. Get cupcakes. Submit from form. I'm making a second run since I only have 6 molds. If you have 12 molds, then do it at a time. Place the cream cheese in a pastry bag. How to make it from improvised means, see on my channel. Cut off the tip. Spread the cream. It is the best to spread it on the remaining cupcakes so that the cream does not melt. Look at these beautiful cupcakes, well baked. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Bye!